Hello and welcome to the Advanced Decisions and Ethical Choices project. In this video, we'll be talking about how to make a lasting power of attorney, or LPA. Now, the LPA is the only one of the three tools that you can't make directly using our resources. You have to make an LPA with the Office of the Public Guardian, and you can do so by following a link to the gov.uk website found on the LPA page of our toolkit. Making an LPA for health and welfare means that you're entrusting somebody else with the power to refuse or consent to treatment on your behalf when you have lost mental capacity. An LPA is a very good option if there is somebody that you trust who can be around to advocate for your choices and preferences when you have lost mental capacity. As with the advanced statement, there's quite a lot of flexibility in what you state in your LPA. So it's up to you how broad or how specific you want your instructions to your attorney to be, and whether or not you give them the power to refuse or consent to life-sustaining treatment. However, if you do not give your attorney the power to refuse or consent to life-sustaining treatment, then doctors will make those decisions, and that could include a decision to withdraw or discontinue clinically assisted nutrition and hydration, or food and water. As discussed in another video on Catholic teaching on withdrawing treatment, the Catholic Church does not consider food and water as medical treatment, even when it is clinically administered. It is simply part of the basic care owed to every human. Hence, if you have an LPA, it is always a good idea to make known in your instructions that you do not want clinically administered nutrition and hydration to be discontinued, except in cases where it causes significant burdens or can no longer nourish the body. You can also combine your LPA with an advanced statement, making use of the advanced statement in the light of the Catholic faith provided in this toolkit, which has a short section on food and water. Both the lasting power of attorney and the advanced decision to refuse treatment are legally binding documents, and while you are allowed to have both at the same time, if both documents refer to the same treatment or circumstances, then the more recent document takes precedence. For example, if you're making an LPA after you've made an advanced decision, then you can specify in your LPA that your attorney has the power to override the advanced decision, or that your attorney must abide by the advanced decision. Once you have made an LPA with the Office of the Public Guardian, you can record the details of your attorney using the form on our toolkit. Remember that using the form provided on our toolkit does not give your nominated person the lasting power of attorney. This has to be done with the Office of the Public Guardian. Having the contact details of your attorney recorded in the toolkit will help those making treatment decisions for you know whom to contact, who has the power to advocate for you if you have lost mental capacity. As with the other two tools part of this toolkit, once you have made a lasting power of attorney and you've recorded down the details of your attorney in the form provided in our toolkit, we highly recommend that you print out this document and keep a copy accessible to be brought with you every time you are admitted to hospital. Do also send out the details of your attorney to your doctor and to a trusted friend or family member. To find out more about the other tools available, the advanced statement and the advanced decision to refuse treatment, do check out our other videos and resources on our project page by logging on to www.bioethics.org.uk. Thanks for listening.